Yes, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yeah, Smart FM Makassar, of course, and with me, RD Sam. And this evening, yeah, of course, absolutely, we have friends from a few communities in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. But before we are going to talking about our topic, of course, I would like to invite them one by one to introduce themselves to you guys, Smart FM, smart listeners. I mean, smart listeners and viewers wherever you are. And yeah, okay, see the camera. Everyone see the camera. Please smile. Okay. I would like to start our guest from. Yeah, okay. Hold on. Before we are going to talking to, before I invite them to introduce themselves, of course, this evening, Smart of Your Life English discussion, Smart FM with English communities from BMC, from MBC, from ECC, and from Embryos. Let's start. I would like to start from you. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English community? How it looks like, and what about the agenda? Come on.
Okay, my name is Wahyu. You can Wahyudin. You can call me Wahyu, and I'm from BMC.
Yes.
Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia. This is a new club English community in Makassar, and we discuss every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and the place
Situational.
yes, the place is nomaden. Sometimes we conduct in Pakui, in Unhas, in everyone. Maybe just it.
Okay.
In the beginning.
How do we call you, Wahyu?
Yes.
Okay, Wahyu, welcome back. A
Yes.
new English community.
Yes.
I'll be back to you. Okay, I move to you. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your English community? How it looks like, and what about the agenda or the schedule? Please come on.
Okay, thank you very much for this. My name is Afifi. I'm from MBC, Mabicara Community. Our Instagram, Mabicara_community. Okay, this community built November 3rd, 2018.
2018.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Before COVID.
Yes, before COVID, but we vacuum for 2 years.
Which one is vacuum? Vacuum or vacuum cleaner?
No, vacuum. We stopped for a while. Yeah. We have many languages, like English, Arabic, Thailand, also Mandarin,
Thailand.
Korea. Yes.
Okay, what about Nehi, Acha?
Nah, there's nothing. There's nothing for now.
You have to put there because Hindi is one of big languages in the world because the population is very huge.
Yes, but
the top two, the top two population in the world, India. Yes, it is. That's why I say put.
Yeah,
put it.
but we didn't found yet about
the
mentor.
You have to looking.
Yes, we have one week.
1 a week.
Yeah, 1 week every language.
1 week every language.
Yeah,
so
such as like
how many
Japan.
times in a language? 6 languages.
Yeah,
6 times.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's great.
We in Shizuka Cafe.
Shizuka?
Yes, in
Giant
Mapanyuki.
Nobita?
No, that's the cafe place. The cafe place.
Cafe place
Yeah.
Shizuka. I think Shizuka is the giant Nobita Doraemon. No. Okay, thank you. Welcome back in new community.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, hello. How are you?
Hello.
How's it going?
So.
So?
Yeah.
What is so? So? Okay, continue.
Okay.
What is your name?
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My full name is Nur Laila, but usually my friends and my family call me Ella.
Ella. Okay.
I am from ECC, English Camp and Community.
Okay.
Now, in ECC have 1 month until 3 months program, and ECC you must stay in dormitory.
And you have like how to say reputation, something like that. No reputation, but in bahasa mengulang if
Yes,
you get low score,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And
Pay more.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay.
Exactly. And you know that
Mhm.
in SCC, I think so unique
Mhm.
because if you want
You have bullet.
lunch, no, if you want lunch or dinner, you must
Mhm.
pay for vocabulary.
Ah.
Yeah, and you if you
punishment.
punishment vocabulary, you don't have eat rice.
Okay. And you have also you have bullet one bullet, right?
Daddy, one
Daddy.
bullet, yeah, daddy.
Okay. What is your name? Sorry, what is your name? How do we call you?
Ella.
Ella.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome, Ella, because this is your first time I say welcome, not
Yes.
welcome back.
I hope you
Uh-huh.
say it welcome back.
Oh
next time.
yeah, I see. Okay, thank you. Welcome, Ella. Okay, next from OC. Please introduce yourself.
Hi. So my name is Andy or Ikram. You can call me either one. And right now I'm representing Embryos community because it's such an honor to be back again after almost a year. Because Embryos English community, it has been inactive for almost a year. So that's why we are here again because we would like to open up new classes next week. So I hope everybody
Online.
can look. Yeah, it's gonna be online, but there is always like a possibility to have like offline classes as well. But most of like the offline classes would be based in Makassar. So if you are based in Makassar or around Makassar, like Goa or maybe like Maros, then you can join us as well for the offline meetings.
It sounds like Australian accent, right?
I don't think so.
I see Australian accent, Australian mixed Antang accent, right?
Oh gosh, yeah, I'm from Antang, guys. Yeah, proud.
Okay, welcome back, yeah. Ikram, yeah, from Embryos, from the new community. I think you as a representative because before you always be representative apa bicara, right?
Yeah, because I'm active in both clubs. So yeah, I love Embryos and Mabicara community.
See, listen, guys. Okay, thank you. Giving applause for us. Yes. Are you ready, guys?
We are.
Are you ready?
We are.
Okay, now as I promised that I would like to reveal our topic, and our topic is Maulid tradition. Giving applause. Yes, talking about Maulid tradition, of course this is one of Islam in Islam culture. I don't know the originality. Maybe this is like a mixed culture from another places, and of course you celebrate to remember Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But I think I'm wondering that what is the influence? Where is the influence got? And suddenly we celebrate this in Nusantara in Indonesia, because it's difficult to find in another country to celebrate Maulid, right? Okay, you Ustaz Wahyu, in your opinion, what is Maulid itself?
The first is Maulid, two communities in Islam. Sometimes Maulid, they say this is bid'ah or new tradition in Islam. There is no rule from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But another community says this is sunnah because there are so many good tradition like zikir to remember how the history our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is depend on your
pro and contra.
Yes, what is your community like? Maybe like Muhammadiyah, Salafi. This is bid'ah.
Okay.
But from the biggest communities in Indonesia like NU, Wasliyah, Habaibis, they are celebrate this tradition. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. I'll be back to you. I move to Phoebe from MBC. So, what is your reaction when you got this first time the topic what is your perspective about Maulid itself?
Okay. I have read about Maulid. Maulid appears in 10th century. Dynasty Fatimiyah. Yes.
10th
I have read
century.
about it. Yeah.
In Arabic or in Indonesia?
Arabic.
Arabic.
Indonesia is 15th century.
15th
Start
century. In
from
Arabic, 10th
Demak,
century.
Yes. Demak.
Okay.
Demak Kingdom in Java.
Please give more the explanation, the super tense, super tense sentence.
I'm
Support
I'm not
sentences.
sure if the condition is like right now, but most of all celebrate Maulid like Ustaz Wahyu said that Maulid is to remind us how Rasulullah his habit, life, and also their lesson about Al Quran and also Hadith. Yeah, I'm same with him. Yeah, there is no celebrating Maulid in Al Quran and also Hadith, but it becomes our habit, our habit.
So do you mean there
Yes.
is no in Al Quran and
Yeah, there is
Hadith,
no, but
this is like
one of
culture?
yeah, this is one of the respect, how to respect Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Okay.
Yes, this is to be an honor as his ummah. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. I'll be back. Okay, what about you, Ella? So what is your perspective? What is your own mind when you hear about Maulid?
I mean, Maulid, I think egg, you know?
Yeah.
And
Like
songkolo.
Pasca. Dan songkolo.
Yeah. I think
The colorful, like egg, green, the rat, it's colorful. Okay, continue.
I'm same. With
Please, the position.
I forget.
Okay.
I'm same with Ustad and
Mhm.
sis.
Mhm.
Right? Remember in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yeah, I think the
So I mean, because the how to say, the first impression when you say, I remember about egg. About egg. Did you really fun about Maulid, because maybe you are very, how to say, very happy when your neighbor, your family celebrate Maulid, because you can get a lot of egg and you can eat together with your family,
one
with your
month
friends.
I'm non-stop eat egg and songkolo.
Oh
Yeah.
Why do you like?
My
why do you
favorite
like it?
food egg.
Okay, because the foods.
Yes.
You like the foods. You like the ornament.
Mm-mm.
You like the tradition.
Yes.
So in your family is celebrate the Maulid itself.
Yeah.
Okay, so you switch the bakul with your neighbor, right?
Yeah.
So
Sometime.
if you got the mini bakul, but your mind is bigger than your neighbor, and suddenly you got the mini. What is your mother opinion about it? It's complaint.
No. Happy.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Because you have to switch with the same level, the same size of the bakul, and you get happy. But if you suddenly get the mini, the small, but your mind, your origin is bigger than your neighbor. Oh my God! It's really like, it's very I would say a complaint. Right?
Yeah.
Did you ever how to say, hear the case about that? Like someone is very complain because there is no suitable.
Sometimes someone
Sometimes.
complain because I'm so I'm put so many egg. I mean,
Tumpi also inside. Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. Okay, Ikram, Andy, from Ambrios, what is your personal opinion about this tradition, Maulid tradition?
Honestly, I don't really have any specific opinion on this, but I kind of respect everybody who celebrates it, because it's like a sign not shine, but a sign,
Uh-huh.
like to show like
Uh-huh.
love to the Prophet Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So I think it's such a great way, like to show like our love to someone that we respect,
Mhm.
even though like maybe physically like he is not with us anymore, but you
Mhm.
know like his spirit and
Mhm.
also like his teaching, it's
Mhm.
still with us till the last day of the world. So I think it's
Mhm.
such a great thing like to do, but I personally don't really celebrate it.
Ah, okay.
But I'm not really sure, maybe because like my family didn't really celebrate it as well, and to this day, so we haven't really celebrated it that much. But sometimes like I see like other family members who are not like from the main family members of
Okay.
mine.
Uh,
So
how to say? What about when you was child?
not really. I
Not
don't know.
really.
Maybe.
But did you like how to say in English turut merayakan secara tidak langsung when you was child,
yeah.
right?
So I
The
went to-
euphoria. Do you feel the
Yeah,
euphoria?
I felt that
when you
to
was
some
child?
extent. So
Mhm.
I went to like a masjid, and then
Mm.
I took a lot of like eggs as well.
Yeah.
And then
yeah.
I ate it. Even
Mhm.
though like my family, like they didn't really know that I went to the masjid,
Mhm.
but because
You
all of my
thief.
I did not. But yeah, like my friends went there, so I just decided, oh, I want to also like to go just because all of my friends went there, so I decided to go.
Mhm.
And then yeah, I ate all the eggs with my friends, and it was such a like an experience. So yeah,
It's very
Yeah.
fun
and
when we
peaceful
was.
and maybe messy because like everybody was rushing like to get the eggs from the trees or
Mhm.
something, right?
Mhm.
So yeah, so it's.
Did you took the money? You know the uang kertas in
Oh, gosh, I feel-
in part of ornament uang kertas, the age, the color for
Yeah.
it, something like that, right?
I was still like in elementary school, like I was small like this, so I don't really remember all the details. But
okay.
yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about you? You are from Bulukumba,
Yeah.
right? You originated from Bulukumba.
Only yeah, Bulukumba.
Yeah, Bulukumba. Yeah, you know, the people who come from like daerah, like you know Bulukumba in in Bulukumba. Say sorry. Use this. Yeah. I didn't realize that you are not using it. Okay, use it please. Okay, daerah in like Bulukumba, Pinrang, Sinjai, and etc. Of course, they are really how to say, show their culture include of Maulid. So, how do you think about the Maulid in your area? For example, in Takalar, we know, right? The Takalar, Chikuang, you know, the biggest Maulid in the world. There in
Really?
Yeah, not in Java.
I
No.
think in Java and Samarinda.
No, there is the biggest because it's very popular, in the world, in a country, in abroad. I mean, so how do you think? How is in Bulukumba itself the situation when they
Maulid.
celebrate Maulid in your area, your village?
I mean,
Please. Yes. Okay. Sadar.
okay. I mean, in Bulukumba, in my area
Mhm.
Bulukumba,
Mhm.
people always same always to
Mhm.
say excited to
Mhm.
Maulid
Mhm.
and turut merayakan.
Mm.
Tuh.
So what about the atmosphere? The atmosphere, the vibration, the atmosphere, the ornament, the peoples who celebrate this tradition. Are they very enthusiastic, full energy, and enthusiastic like Jalla, something like that, to celebrate this tradition?
Jalla.
Mhm. No, forget it. That is a local language. Are you Bugis or Konjo?
I'm Bugis.
Bugis.
Yeah.
Okay. Skip.
But Bugis
Mhm. Little bit.
Little.
So what about the others? Your mixed culture. Bugis, Makassar, Konjo.
Bugis Konjo.
Bugis Konjo. Bugis and Konjo.
Bugis and Konjo.
There is no Bugis Konjo, Bugis and Konjo. Okay. So in Bulukumba, my question is how the situation when they celebrate
Maulid.
Maulid is crowd or so or
I think so happy
Mhm,
and something so.
mhm,
But atau saya tidak semua, kayak,
mhm.
tidak semua.
Not
Yeah,
all.
people hold
Mhm,
celebration
mhm,
this Maulid.
mm.
yang
Okay,
mau
it's
aja.
depend. Yang
Yes.
mau aja. Okay, thank you, Ella. Okay, what about you? Where are you originally from?
Polewali Mandar.
Oh, boleh
Yes.
Mandar. Oh, this is a very strong culture also. Ini kental banget juga ya budayanya di Mandar. So, how the situation when the people there celebrate
Yeah.
this culture Maulid?
Yeah, sometimes the people from the mosque give us,
Do you sacrifice the horse to be like rendang,
No.
like apa lagi
Mas-
itu?
um
And put it inside the bakul.
people from the mosque announce about Maulid, so all of people from our
Mhm.
our village
Mhm.
gather in
Mhm.
mosque and bring our
Mhm.
eggs and also like full of food
Mhm.
like chicken curry and also.
Ah.
It looks like Idul Fitri, but we
Yeah,
have-
really.
yeah,
What about the
understand.
ornament?
Yeah,
The
I think the
ornament.
ornament is the same like in Makassar.
Like here?
Yes,
Okay.
we have a banana tree
Oh, yeah.
and we put the
Oh,
eggs
yeah.
around
Yeah.
around this. Yes.
There is a what's it, money.
Yes,
there is a
there is
egg, there is a
like
rinso
money.
maybe. There,
money,
yeah.
money and also eggs. Yes.
Mm.
The Ustad
Mhm.
tell about Hikmah Maulid, and after that, after all
Mhm.
the agenda, we
Share.
Yeah, we share.
Not
the
share,
eggs.
but
yeah.
you calculate it, something like that, right?
Yes, but sometimes
Who is the pastor? Pastor.
But sometimes we wish we get our egg because sometimes we see the other egg. It look weird. Yeah, for us like it has color
Mhm.
like red.
Mhm. Your hand when you
Yes.
touch it,
Yeah,
right?
we touch it.
Mhm.
We have this one like
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you in Sulawesi Tenggara? Buton,
Yes.
Baubau.
Yes.
Which one is true? Buton or Baubau?
Baubau.
Baubau.
Baubau is the central Buton.
Ah,
Yes.
the capital city.
Yes, the
of
capital
Buton.
of
Baubau.
Buton. Yes.
Okay.
Before Buton separate with some city,
Okay.
this is the central
Mm.
Baubau is.
Is in Baubau similar when you guys celebrate this tradition similar with South Sulawesi, I mean Makassar and then around, how looks like there?
Yes, in Buton,
Mhm.
the big community in Buton is like NU.
Mhm.
They celebrate
Mhm.
Maulid.
Mhm.
They get a lot of masjid
Mhm.
spring like from 12
Mhm.
until last month. Here-
12 until last month.
Yes.
How many
until last
days?
month.
10, 20 days?
Yes,
20
so many,
days?
yes, so
Okay.
many days in school,
Okay.
in university,
Mhm.
in masjid. Of course, in masjid is so many masjid.
Mhm.
They celebrate from one masjid to masjid.
Mm.
They celebrate. And
How looks like the ornament when you guys celebrate this tradition? The ornament,
I
same
think-
also. You
yes,
put the
the
banana
ornament
tree.
same. Yes.
Same, really?
Yes.
But
I
what
think
did
it's-
what the different?
Different in Buton. Maybe there is no specific.
Uh-huh.
It's different with Java.
Mhm.
When you say Java is so many celebrate, and their celebrate is like their spread money, so many money
Mhm.
from kids, from parents, from family, This is there's in Java or Samarinda, but in like Buton, I think it's the tradition from NU, come from NU. So
Okay,
just
we talking about your child.
yes,
I mean, like when you was child. I mean,
yes.
what the best part you like when Maulid tradition come? What the best
Yes.
part?
The best part is like Miss Laila and what is
Afifi.
I think Afifi,
Afifi and Sofifi.
Sofifi.
Ella and Laila Canggung.
Yes, I think Sam when we fight to get cake, egg.
Mhm.
I think that's
It's very
And
funny.
yes.
Seru.
When
How to say?
I think-
Ikram seru in English.
is yes, very funny.
That is the best part.
Yes.
Okay. What about you? Where is the best part when you was child, when you celebrate the Maulid
I think
tradition?
just the same.
Yeah,
because
fight,
yeah,
berebut, yeah.
yes, because
How to say in English berebut? Mhm.
yeah, because we just
Why so
listen to Ustad tell us about Hikmah Maulid and remind us to learn about Muhammad again, his story and also his character. The Ustaz tell us about that, and yeah, the fun when we take the eggs. And also in Polman there is traditional cake as a dessert. Yes.
Traditional cake.
Yeah,
As a dessert, like what?
like
The sweetest
unti.
unti.
Yeah, rokok
Pisang.
unti. Yeah, rokok unti.
Rokok
Yes.
unti.
Yes, like
Rokok
baje
unti.
and all.
Ah,
Yes.
baje.
Yes.
Okay. When you back home?
I just go back home once a year.
Once a year.
Yeah, Idul Fitri.
Oh, really?
Yes. So I didn't
Okay.
celebrate
Okay.
Maulid again.
I'm waiting your ole-ole.
Inshallah,
Okay, thank
okay,
you.
next year.
Yeah, next year. Okay, what about you, Ella? What is the best part when you celebrate the Maulid? The Maulid, yeah, tradition.
I mean, when Ustad tell me about syarahan that or singing together about solawat with Ibu Majelis Taklim, and then that.
I think Laila Majnun.
No,
Majelis Taklim.
only Laila.
Laila, okay, continue.
And sometimes, you know,
I don't know.
bagi-bagi uang.
Oh, yeah.
And
Bagi-bagi
sometimes
uang.
I want,
Uh-huh.
you know that I have,
Do not hesitate to put Indonesia or bahasa when you stuck in English. Just combine.
you know that saya mendapatkan uang.
You get a
But
lot of money.
you know that emak come and
Oh,
you know,
merebut
putra
kembali.
yang merebut my money.
Oh my god.
And I'm so bad.
That is one of unforgettable part when you celebrate the Maulid tradition, right? Yeah, berebut, especially for
Yes.
money and
Yes.
etc. And the emak like
Yeah.
like this your hand, right?
Yeah.
You grab. Okay. I move to Ikram. What is the best part when you was child to celebrate the Maulid tradition?
Yeah, I feel like the best part is seeing other people celebrating Maulid.
Sing.
Sing, because I don't celebrate, right? But I see other people doing
Sing.
seeing, like seeing.
Sing. I
Yeah.
think Barzanji.
But yeah, it's very fun. Like the mothers, as you mentioned earlier, the kids, even the fathers. Like it's so much fun, like to see, and also like
Even the kids present there.
I don't know.
Bahkan kucing hadir di sana
Really?
merayakan.
I haven't seen one though.
Okay,
Yeah, but
continue.
yeah, I feel like it's very fun. But also, it's not only about the fun side, but also about the religious side, where we get to learn about the history, but also the story. So we get to know, someone that we look up to even so much deeply. So I feel like it's very important also to have such a day, so where we can have a lot of like celebrations in order like to know our identity as a Muslim, but also about what we actually want to accomplish, because we keep being reminded, right, like Rasulullah wants us to be like this and to be like that, and sometimes like we don't really get to hear that very often, just because we don't I'm not sure, like me personally, I just like I just like hear it when I go to the mosque, like to pray Jumu'ah, and I feel like that's pretty much it, or pretty much like once a year, like 1 month in a year during Ramadan, or so yeah. So we don't really have that. So when having like this such like event that we can celebrate, so I feel like it's also like a good sign, like to be a better Muslim every year, every year. Yeah.
Okay, it's always diplomacy. Ya, selalu kedengaran diplomasi ya. Okay, thank you Ikram. Giving applause for us. Yeah, Smart FM, yeah, smart listeners wherever you are, still with us here. Yeah, 101.1 di Spirit of Indonesia in Smart of Your Life English program. Yeah, with English communities. Wahyu from BMC, Afifi from Mak Bicara, Ella from ECC, yeah, Andy from Ambrios. And yeah, we continue our topic for this evening, and the topic is Maulid tradition. Guys, my question is, why we are very difficult? Why we difficult to look for or find this tradition in abroad? Afifi. But why is very easy find this tradition in Indonesia?
Yeah, in my opinion, I think it depends on, because what I was saying just now, it appears in Arab. Yes, Dynasty Fatimiyah in 10th century. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Maybe it has.
But now there is no more there.
There is, but I'm not sure about the celebration and like us, like there is egg and so on. Yeah, I think because it is appears in Arabic, and abroad it. Yeah, sometimes we just minority. Yes, we can feel free to celebrate something. Maybe it looks weird when we abroad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, really.
Even maybe in Malaysia, yeah.
Yeah.
There is no Maulid celebration like us.
Yeah.
It's very huge here, massive euphoria, something like that, right?
Yeah, maybe it's because there's no in Al-Quran and Hadith. It's just tradition.
Yeah, maybe because this is our culturation, right?
Yes.
From maybe Hindus, from Buddhists, from Muslim, from all of maybe religion, all of cultural, and mixed to be one like that. And who knows?
And also in Indonesia, we still have tradition like, the first religion come into Indonesia is Hindu.
Yes.
We still have relation with this religion. I think it has relation to Islam. That's why we have many celebrations. I think. We still have.
That's why our cultural is very rich.
Yes.
Right, the richest culture in the world.
The other country.
Okay. What about you, Kram? Do you get a point right? The question. Okay, continue.
Yeah, I feel like just because, as we know, like, sorry, I think.
Continue.
I feel like Indonesia.
It's okay.
Because
Do you need the water,
no need
please?
to. Because Indonesia has the biggest population when it comes to Muslims, and not to mention that the government also supports it. So we feel like we are supported by the government. So just do the best and celebrate with all this Muslim fellow Muslims in Indonesia. While in other countries, maybe it can be true. I'm not very sure about what she said earlier. Maybe because it's not really stated in the Quran or Hadith, so it's more cultural thing now. But even though it started from the other country, but we kind of make it big right now. So yeah, I feel like because Indonesian people, they always love to celebrate something.
You say kind, he say kinda. I like it. Okay, continue.
Okay, now I don't really remember what I'm going to say, but so yeah, and I'm not really sure. I don't think that it's because I don't really have the capacity to say, it's bid'ah or it's not, because I'm not on the start. So maybe Ustad Wahyu can explain it a bit better than me. But anyway, I would love to kind of celebrate it maybe one day. So has it passed already?
No,
Like Maulid? I mean Maulid. When was it?
Still.
Still?
Yeah.
So yeah. So maybe if I go to the masjid and then I see like some eggs, maybe I'm gonna
Just it.
take some eggs.
Yeah, take.
and then bring them home and then like to give them
Yeah.
to my family and I, so we can have it as dinner.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, so I think it's
Because the egg, the colors of egg, the egg itself is a high protein,
That's true.
and we need
Yeah.
we need
Yeah,
it.
especially because right now they're very colorful. So it has been colorful, right? So
Mhm.
maybe like the kids, like
Mhm.
our nieces, our cousins and stuff.
Uh-huh.
So maybe they would love like eggs with different colors. I
Uh-huh.
think that's cute.
And bring to your home,
Yeah.
and
To my
your-
room as well.
Yeah, to your room, and your mood is happy after that.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you. What about you? You get a point?
I think because Indonesian mayoritas
Mhm.
Muslim maybe.
Mhm. The majority?
Yes,
And?
majority and there's like that so gampang.
Easy.
Easy, yeah,
Easy,
easy,
uh-huh.
easy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But why in abroad? It's difficult to find this, even in Muslim country.
Yeah. But you know.
Please, is this?
I'm so
Continue.
nervous, you
No,
know.
no, no, it's okay.
I'm shy.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay, continue.
I mean the.
Uh-huh. Any else?
Mm-mm.
No, I say any else. Maksud saya adalah ada lagi.
Okay,
Just
I
it. You
think
keep
just
your
it.
statement.
Just it. Just it.
Just it.
Yeah.
You keep statement.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Yeah. We're back to our topic, Maulid tradition. Actually, our country is very complicated, very rich with the culture, very rich the religion, the background, the racial, the social background, the ism, you know, ism. I mean, paham, the ism, and you know, it's very, very diversity. United in diversity, back to again, yeah. Walaupun berbeda-beda, tetapi tetap satu jua. But when we're talking about Maulid itself, the people is very, you know, it's like very happy. They like a positive vibes, positive energy when we see the people who celebrate. But actually, what is do you ever ask the people, the society, why you celebrate? Did you ever ask them, like your neighbor, your mother, your family? Did you ever ask them?
Never.
Never.
Yeah, we just. I
No,
think. Yeah.
not yet.
Yeah, maybe not.
You
yet,
will.
Yes.
You will ask them.
I think no.
Why? To make sure.
Yeah.
To make sure.
I think most of people just continue our tradition because
Mhm.
it come from our
Without
grandpa.
yeah,
or
without
grandma,
without
yeah.
capo, without protest.
Because
Discontinue.
I know why
Uh-huh.
why they are celebrating.
Mhm.
Because yeah, you know, in Indonesia, even there are so many Muslim in Indonesia, but I think it's hard to find Islam religion
Mhm.
like new knowledge.
Mhm.
So we can know new knowledge about Rasulullah from this event. I think
That's why the
We
key
can-
is
yes.
Iqra.
yes,
Right.
but not all of us can know more about Rasulullah
Mhm.
di luar Rabiul Awal. So
Mhm.
I think from this Maulid tradition we can know about Rasulullah from the other side.
Mhm.
We can learn by using his birthday. Yes, because in school, you know, the curriculum it always changes and
Always.
always changes.
Always, always, and always.
Yes,
Right.
every new president we change the curriculum and really I seldom to find about Muhammad's history in
Okay.
school.
Yeah.
I think we can take the moment from Maulid tradition to learn more and more about Rasulullah. Yes.
Okay, what about you? when we talking about Maulid itself, where the location you ever sing the tradition except Makassar, maybe in Java or Kalimantan, or where the location?
Yes, of course in Java, so
Mhm.
many in Java.
The Ormain
Especially-
actually it's
yes.
totally different. Like
Ja-
like Salak
yes,
there is
yeah.
Salak maybe there is-
Java S and
Mhm.
Central Java.
it's different.
Yes.
Okay, what the difference?
They celebrate
Uh-huh.
this Maulid
Mhm.
in also in Kalimantan, so many in Samarinda,
Mhm.
in like Pontianak.
Mhm. What's the difference each other when like Central Java is Java
Yes.
in Kalimantan, but even they are still Java? What is the difference?
I think it's about culture
Mhm.
because the in East Java maybe they maybe like speak up like Surabaya, Madura, like there are so their feeling and
Like
like it's
Maybe like
it's different like Central Java.
what the
It's
difference
more
actually?
more smooth in Central Java.
What the difference actually?
It's like
Maybe
in-
they put the sound system and after that they
no
they
maybe
produce the sounds.
the character they're so they celebrate maybe
Mhm.
in this part maybe.
Maybe the ornament it's totally different. Like you
Yes,
have to
ornament,
biggest
yes.
bakul
So
and you
in other Java like
Mhm.
Sulawesi
Mhm.
maybe you don't see the biggest like concert
Mhm.
like concert band.
like wayang,
Yes,
there
there-
is wayang,
No,
there is
like
it's
the
instrument.
the big band like Peter Pan band.
Oh
It's
my God,
so
Maulid!
so many people there come.
Really?
Yes.
There is a concert in Maulid.
Yes.
Oh my
like,
God.
Maybe it's changing.
but they don't sing in, but
Mhm.
they
The
like
stage.
salawat.
Yeah,
Yes,
salawata.
like this.
That's I mean how
Yes.
it's like. What is
So-
the difference?
I mean, it's like
Uh-huh.
in Java,
Uh-huh.
the concert and Maulid is like the same situation.
Ah,
There,
yeah.
it's different with other
Mm.
place.
There is a sound system.
Yes,
There
sound
is a
system.
rigging. There is a
Yes.
stage. There is a instrument.
So many
there is-
people until
Mm.
in concert maybe.
That's
just-
why you
just-
say like a concert, right?
yes, like
Mm.
concert until long
Until subuh.
yes, sometimes until subuh.
Oh my God.
5 kilo
Uh-huh.
until so many people in Pontianak
and
in
put sound
Samarinda.
horek.
Like yes, like this.
Oh
There-
my God.
there's,
Oh my God.
In
Okay.
one night,
Okay, that is the euphoria, yeah.
Yes.
Euphoria.
Korea in Java.
Like Roma Irama, I say euphoria. Okay, what about you, Ikram? Do you get a question?
Same
Do you get a
question.
point? Yeah, same question.
Oh, I haven't really seen or experienced any
Mm.
outside of Makassar.
Mhm.
I feel like I only have like 2 experiences in total, and both experiences were in
In your life?
Makassar. Yeah.
Really?
Oh,
Okay.
once in my university.
Where university?
So it's outside of Makassar, but in Goa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in Goa, so
Mhm.
we celebrated like Maulid because it was mandatory.
Mhm.
So every student had to celebrate whether we want it or we didn't want to.
Mhm.
So because our university was under NU or something back then in the past, so we had to celebrate it. But so like all the students had to bring something to the event, so we needed to decorate
Mhm.
the food, and I don't know. I think we
Mhm.
decorated the food, and that's pretty much it. And then we had like an ustad explaining about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam,
Mm.
and I don't know. Did we sing? Maybe we
Salawatan
did,
you
like,
mean?
yeah,
Not
salawat.
sing.
I'm not sure.
It's different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, did that. So maybe we recited some verses of the Quran and
Ah,
stuff
okay.
like that. Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Ella? Ella Umbrella? Okay, what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
I think this topic so interesting.
So
and-
interesting
And you know, I'm in here because Papi.
you are
Yeah,
here because Papi, not
yeah.
because the topic.
I don't know.
Oh, could it be Papi?
Yeah,
Listen,
Papi.
she's coming because of you, not because the topic. So continue.
And you know, but Papi said, you cocok.
You
Sorry.
It's match.
You match.
Yeah, match with the topic, right?
But,
Any else? Any else? Okay. Okay, I move to Fifi. Thank you. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay. Honest, I like this tradition.
Honest?
Yeah.
Is honest.
Yeah, honest, I like this tradition. Even though there is nothing in Al Quran and also Hadith, but it will be one of our celebration in Islam
Yeah, okay.
to remind us to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And also we can learn more and more about Rasulullah. Like even though I like K-pop, but I know the best of my idol is Rasul.
K-pop,
Yes.
Fifi.
I know I like K-pop, but
How you like
the
that?
the best idol is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Oh, mashallah.
That one thing that I remember from him that in his last breath they say ummati ummati ummati, and it give me support to do better life,
Okay.
better than today. Thank you.
Okay. Conclusion. What is your
Yes,
conclusion?
For me, Maulid have two opinion, two perception. The first, like NU Habaib and Al Wasliyah, they celebrate Maulid because this is the moment to show their happiness with Maulid Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. But the other side, like Muhammadiyah and Salafis, they don't celebrate this Maulid because how to say, to show your how to follow Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is just 1 month, but every time,
Okay.
every place, but it's depend on yourself. You can follow like NU or Muhammadiyah.
Okay, it's a choice.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. What about you? What is your conclusion, Andy?
So pretty much similar with the other answers from our friends. So Maulid is a celebration where like some people celebrate it, some people don't really celebrate it, but it doesn't mean that it's a way like to hate each other just because like some people don't and some people do. And I feel like it's a sign that we actually can coexist peacefully regardless of the differences that we have in mind, and also like the different teachings that we have from our teachers. But it shows that like these people celebrate it, and then we just need to respect it. So when we celebrate something that they don't celebrate, then they can respect us as well. So no hard feelings. So as Rasulullah mentioned, that just show love to your fellow people, like even to non-Muslims, so let alone to our fellow Muslims. So yeah, so spread love instead of like hate.
Okay, thank you Ikram.
Thank you.
Andy from Ambriaus. Thank you Ella Umbrella from ECC. Thank you Afifi from MBC. Thank you Ustadz Wahyu from BMC. Thank you guys, give big applause for us. That's all our discussion, conversation about the topic, and the topic is Maulid tradition. Smart listeners, wherever you are, of course, we still have program, English program for the next week every Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. So always listen Smart FM 101.1, Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia business and inspiration, especially in our program English communities at 7 until 8 p.m. every Wednesday. See you for the next week. Good evening, good night, bye bye.